Hello everyone, greetings for the day. Today we are going to start about C sharp patterns. So the first pattern program is a star pattern with n rows and m columns. So you can see here a star pattern here. For this we need nested loop because let's go to the Visual Studio and verify the same. So what I will do now here, I'll use for loop. While I less than or equal to 5, I'll keep 1 here. Now I'll increment 1. I'll look for j less than or equal to 5. I'll increment j. So I'll write I'll put here star. I'll explain everything after this. So now I'll put console.writeline. See what happening here is first I taken for loop. So I int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5. So this is true. So it will go to the inner loop, the j loop. It will run this. For the first time j is true, so it will print this and it will come here. Now j equal to 2, it is also true. It will print this and until j less than or equal to 5. Then whenever it is false, it will come outside. It will go to the next line and it will come here. It will iterate to 2. Now 2 less than or equal to 5. It will go to the inner loop. It will print this 5 times and it will come outside. The same loop repeats 5 times. So let's run this. See, it has been printed with 5 rows and 5 columns. I hope you understand the video. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for seeing the video. Bye.